7812 Quill Gordon. A lot of one stories. The sellers are home. I don't want to disturb them too much, but they were very nice. So as you can see, we're in a cul-de-sac here. There are 3 cats in the house. So we have a screen door. Jenny really likes the screen doors so people can enjoy the fresh air and not have to worry about animals or kids getting outside. So we have tile at the entry. Then we have carpet. The walls are white. And then we have these blinds that are built into the glass pane. Okay, so we'll move to the left. So to the left of the entrance, you have a dining area and laminate flooring. I'll be very quick.
Yes, oh, I'm not in any hurry.
Okay.
Let's sit here.
Thank you.
Do you have any questions? What?
Oh no, I'm good. The shutters are beautiful. The shutters are beautiful. The flooring's in good condition. The cabinets are in good condition. Thank you. Okay, so we have the garage right off of the kitchen. And then we have the laundry right as soon as you enter the hallway for the bedrooms. Vinyl. And some lights have been mounted underneath just for convenience. Vinyl in the bathroom. Cabinets look to be in good condition. So we have a little coat closet really close to the entrance, and changing carpet into this bedroom, and we would need blinds here, and a linen closet right off of the guest bath. Changing carpet here, and hi, did I scare you? Okay, so we have the vertical blinds on there now. Pull up this carpet and lay down some tile for about $5 a square foot. And we're on the first floor, so we don't need any hardy backer or anything. Oh, there's another cat. Found it. Okay. And the door's been taken off this closet here and on here as well. Repaint. Okay.